If you go on Google or Yahoo or any other search engine on the internet and you type in tourist attractions, Budapest, Hungary, that's probably one of the top ones that you'll see. Hősök tere. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but here I am in the station of the yellow line, and I found my way over to Hősök tere, and I'm going to bring you along as I give you a tour of this. Hősök tere, as I understand it, if I'm not mistaken, is another word for hero, or it means hero. It's not another word. It means hero, and tere is square. So I find myself at Hero Square here in Budapest, and I'm going to see if I can't bring you along for a quick tour. As I say that, I wish I were on one of these segways, and then it would be a really quick tour if I were able to get my hands on one of those. But for right now, I'm just going to just do it the old-fashioned way, and I'm going to walk across. I'm going to take a nice walk across. Hopefully, I can beat some of this traffic. Got to be careful walking around in Budapest. You got to be careful walking around in any big city. And this is a rather busy part of town. So I can remember the first time. I remember the very first time that I came to Hősök tere, and quite some time ago. And I remember that I must have spent hours trying to photograph all of the statues that I'm going to show you. So it's a beautiful day. It's actually a little bit warm, but that's okay. It's a nice day to go check out. Nice day to go check out the statues, and I'm going to go do another tourist attraction as well, which is right behind Hősök tere, and that is the city park. So in this video, I'm going to do Hősök tere, and then I'll go on over to City Park after giving you a tour of Hősök tere. As I film this, today is what day is today? Today is Wednesday, and it's about noon, and I actually woke up today at better part of 5:30, or sat down to do some work at 6, and I needed to get out of the house. I needed an excuse to get out of the house. And here you see Hősök tere, and this is a place where they'll often have various ceremonies and parties and events. I can remember one year I was here. Not too far from here, there was a concert. Simply Red did a concert. I think it's T-Mobile. Every year they do a free concert somewhere in Budapest. So. This is, I'm not sure the whole story. This here looks like it would probably be a grave or a memorial of some sort. Right here. It is actually quite warm, but I guess you got to put that in perspective. I woke up this morning watching the news to the stories about the heat wave hitting the southwest of the United States back in America, and it's nothing like that. So that would be, I think that main statue just right here would be István, if I'm not mistaken. And I believe that these sculptures, are they sculptures or statues? I think they're made out of bronze. I could be mistaken. But it is That's quite an impressive place. Here you see one of the statues with the looks like the antlers tied to the horse, the antlers of a deer or something like that, elk. And then all along the perimeter here, they have statues of famous Hungarians. I think these are probably some of the different kings in the history. There's Kossuth Lajos. They actually pronounce their names backwards here. They pronounce a lot of things backwards in Hungary. So I would say my name is Hall Thomas. And they usually pronounce the last name backwards, or the last name and then the first name as I walk along. But I believe that these are the different kings of Budapest over the years. Sightseeing bus going by. On each side of Hero Square there are museums that you can go into. I'm not sure what the museums are, but they're nice nonetheless. So this would be Nagy Lajos, something like that. I'm probably butchering these names. We should go back and here's Andrássy. Andrássy is from 1205 to 1235. He was the king. These are actually the kings of Hungary. Here is Saint László, 1077 to 1095. And here's the king of them all, István. Saint István, 997 to 1038 was when he reigned here in Hungary, and if I'm not mistaken, he's considered the founder of Hungary. He united the tribes here in Hungary, and they have a big basilica for him. So here is and along the wall they have these sculptures here. I believe here is István being sainted, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's what that is. So they have different pictorials from the kings. I'm not going to walk through all of them, but here is Andrássy. And there you have it, your very short tour of Hősök tere, or Hero Square, as you'd call it in English, here in Budapest, Hungary. Now let's go over. I'm going to go over and check out City Park before I get back to the office, so to speak, and finish a day's work.